How to replace drive cable on cadet self-propelled mower.
Hey there, I'm Richard G.
Looking for details on how to replace drive cable on cadet mower.
Okay. Let me gather this up. Can I get back with you within the hour? Here is excellent video on that procedure. Right-click here and select Open Link in New tab. I had a hard time finding the exact model number you posted. This video should be same thing as yours. Let me know if it isn't and confirm model numbers once more. Did I answer all your questions today? Smile.
Looks like the video shows the procedure for replacing the drive belt. No problem doing that. I'm looking for help on replacing the drive cable that engages the transmission.
Sorry about that. I showed you that video, cause removing the plastic cover from the bottom of the mower is how to remove the cable from the bottom side, and it's what most people struggle with. You do need to remove the cable from the upper handle first, so I will need to model number of the mower for exact cable instructions. Then once it's removed from the top handle, you will remove it from the transmission after removing the plastic cover on the mower.
I've already removed the cover. The cable engages a slot in a bracket which is attached to the transmission and is sandwiched under the transmission pulley. Not sure if the bracket is part of the cable assembly, which would require removing the pulley to access the deck side of the bracket for removal. I rechecked the model number, 12-18J056-736-549.
Reading. Let me loo that model up. There should be a spring on the other end of the cable where it attaches to the transmission. There shouldn't be a need to remove the transmission, just unhook spring to remove the cable, after you have removed the cable from the handlebar assembly.
Not quite as easy as that. The cable is captured in the bracket attached to this transmission. Looks like the effort to try and replace the cable is not worth the time and dollar. Thanks anyway.
Reading. Sorry, frown. There is another spring at the transmission. Have you tried to remove it first, or is it hard to get to?
Right, remove that one also. It is the return spring for disengaging this transmission. Still could not remove the cable from the bracket without the risk of damaging the bracket. Calling it a day for now.
Removing the one at the handlebar should create slack for the transmission.
Decided to cut the cable. We'll worry about replacing it next year. Thanks anyway.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.